This is Jake from JakeTheStockGuy.com. If you're new to this channel, you might want to consider subscribing because I provide a lot of value, a lot of content every single day of the week. So let's get right into today's recap. Let's go to performance. It was a plus $56 day. I had a little bit of a blunder today, with the rug pull on SPY. I like how this looks really balanced, huh? It looks almost symmetrical. A little bit more gains here, a little bit more gains there, a little bit more gains here, there. So let's go to, let's go to SPY. I'll show you what happened today with some of the trades we took in the group. If you're new to my channel, I have a really great private group on Slack. We do really well. You can see here some of the profit losses from today. The members, I like to show these off because I'm proud of what I do. I'm proud of the accomplishments within the group. This guy made $23,144 on Tilray. Well done, very well done. You can see here Sweeney also made a decent profit of about $3,422 on Tilray as well. Not sure what his return was, 384%. Yeah, that's nice. SNDL. I wanted to take this trade actually. Yeah, so overall it's been really good. Really good day. So okay, for me, I didn't have the best day, and I'll kind of go into why. I turned a great day, like an easy $3,000 day. Just, low risk, good returns. And it all started with SPY. We had this big sell program come in today. I did make like a quick $70 on the dip, but I was thinking to myself, SPY, I think SPY's going to have a big red day. We're going to pull back to the 20 or 50 day moving average on the 60-minute time frame. I'm on the 10-minute time frame. This light volume selling, it was kind of a phantom seller just came in and said, you know what, I want out. And buyers stepped in right here at the 387.50. So if I go back to my account, I'll show you what happened. The BA trade. So this was a $2,000 profit. I turned into a $58 loss. And it was due to the SPY sell-off. Okay? So you always have to keep one eye on SPY. Because, it doesn't always happen, but when this happens, it really can mess up a lot of your weekly expiration positions. So I'll go into BA. Green is green. I know I was in front of my monitor for a while, but look at this. We bought right here on the 10-minute time frame. I'm going to blow this up for you guys. You can see a little better. So I bought right here the 220 calls. And we were kind of chopping around. And then next thing you know, I was 200% up. And you know what? If it wasn't for the SPY rug pull, as we like to say in the trade, I was really looking at the 220 as my exit. I said, you know what? This is my strike price. Everything's kind of gearing up. It was just, I was waiting for a little bit more upside. And I really think it would have happened today if it hadn't have been for the SPY rug pull. It was and this hadn't even curled up. So I was really just Disappointed with, usually I get my timing right and my exits right, but, there was nothing I could really do about this trade. Great entry. I was waiting for this oscillation to take place, see how it oscillates. This one was a little bit of a fake out, and then a back up, down. And I was really expecting this up, and we were still pretty low on the RSI. I was really waiting for at least the stochastic on the 10-minute time frame to get back up here in the, at least 80. So yeah, 220 really was my target to sell, and I was standing by my trade. It's just it's a shame that I didn't sell anything, 200% up. But that's trading, that's life, that happens. I still managed to make it. I was 2,000 up, then I was 500 down red. I was $500 red. And I said, you know what? I'm not going to stop here. Let's get back in the game. I did it a few times today. Man, the SPY rug pull messed up a pretty good day for me in the green. If I go back to performance, like BA, $2,000 profit. NEO, I'm swinging till Friday. LAC is a swing trade. FEYE was green, maybe 20% at one point, 30% up, didn't sell. SRNE was another trade, 40, 50% up at times. And DDOG, I was 40% up on that trade as well. So, a lot of profits I left on the table. It would have been an easy $3,000 day. BYND would have been a lot more profits had I held it on a little bit longer, but I'm happy that I sold and I took my profits and moved on. AYVA is a swing trade, SFIX is a swing trade, and WBT is a swing trade. So I like to mix it up. I like to do a little swing trade, a little day trade. I like the action of the day trades and with the weekly expiration options, with weekly expiration with options. But yeah, BA was a real fake out today. I gotta say, they got me good, and it was all because of the SPY rug pull, and stuff like that you can't avoid. You have to just know when to get out. Yeah, I mean on SRNE too. Perfect entry, perfect timing, perfect entry. I was immediately green on this trade, right here. 50% up. 17 was my target on the exit. I was gonna sell at this 17 area right in here, because I knew we were coming up into some overhead resistance. That was right in there. I was gonna get out, just couldn't make it. Same thing here. Usually this stochastic will go up, RSI will go up, and that's what I was looking for. I was just, I was being patient. I was waiting for my exit, but man, that SPY rug pull came and, down we went. So even with the SPY rug pull, okay, even with some of my weekly expiration options for the day trades, I still managed to come out green. So I'm pretty proud of myself there. However small, it was, $56. You know what? I'll take it. Any green is better than a red day. What can I say? Let me see what DDOG did, because I think, oh no, earnings are tomorrow on Datadog. But it's a shame, I was 40% up. Really was, I'd been holding since Monday. It's like profit, sideways, profit, 40% at times. And this was I was gonna do it was gonna be an ER swing trade, and I think I didn't panic sell DDOG. I was like, you know what? If SPY really does tank today, it's gonna pull the entire market down, and I'm just not in the mood today to F around. You know what I mean? And it recovered, but hey, live to trade another day. That's my motto. And Solo was good. BYND was good. still in a couple positions swinging. But that was my day, guys. I hope you had a good day trading. I hope you get some value from these videos and you're learning something. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week trading. If you're looking to get an edge in the market and be consistently profitable, I run, I don't want to say one of the best groups out there, but we don't just do options or swing or day trades or scalps. We do a lot. If I can pull this up for you, you can see we have many channels. We do penny stocks. We do crypto. We do charts, members trading channel, my option alerts channel, and it's really an awesome thing. I'm really happy with where it's at, and all the members are super stoked. Yeah, that's just what I wanted to jump on here and talk a little bit about. Shameless plug, but that's what I got for today, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you're a member and you're watching this, I really do appreciate you. If you want to check us out, click on the link below. We do offer a 14-day trial to the membership, and then you can choose your plan. But other than that, guys, that'll wrap it up for me today. I'm going to get out and enjoy the rest of the beautiful day here in southern Florida. The weather is great. So anyway, if you want me to look at a stock or you want me to give you some feedback or advice, leave me a comment in the box below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much for being a member, guys. Really do appreciate it. God bless, and I'll see you on the charts.